What's up, everyone? We are back with day 16 of backtesting every single day until I'm profitable. Let's get into this. So we got a no news Friday. It's kind of crazy. Okay, so we just have like no highs. Oh, we do. Okay. One singular high. Okay. Yeah, we don't have it on ES. Excuse me. I guess just I don't even really want to trade today. Like, what are you supposed to look for? You know what I'm saying? Hit this, go lower, or fair value gap, take this high, which we already did, so retrace down and higher. That's really my only idea, really. But we already reacted with it, so I don't really know. Market's open, we take the high. Okay. Okay. Boom. So we inverse the fair value gap. So if we come into around the middle of this breaker, stops above the high. Like, I don't even know what to target, bro. Alright, where's equilibrium? Alright. Let's see. Bruh, not this. Fuck. God damn it. Should have been at the order block. That would have been a... Not the best. Could have been better. And one thing I'm like really trying to do here is I'm just really trying to not be as aggressive. Like trying to capture the best risk to reward out there. And I think part of the problem is just like being on social media and just seeing what other people can do and feeling like I have to do that. But I don't. I have to do what works for me. You know? Alright. So we got this low here. This high. Then we marked this high here. And then we marked this low. And then we marked this low. to the hour. What are we looking at here? Alright, so we are reacting off of this fair value gap here. So what I would want to see is tap into I want to go up a little bit, tap into the breaker and the fair value gap, sweep to high, and then push lower. If we don't just go lower. I don't know, we already interacted with it, so we'll see what happens. Alright, market opens, sweeps the high, so we have no SMT yet. But we seem to be respecting the, you know. Alright, so what we did here, we inversed this fair value gap. Let me just delete this and this. So if we come back to this, nope, it's not what I wanted to do. Yikes. First TP here, second TP there. Okay. Sell limit. Tapped in. Take half off here, save. Stop to break even. Stop, break even. Okay. Okay, that's completely fine. Will we hit full TP though? Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, no, yeah. Okay. Alright, we got a decent amount of news the next day. $15-minute time frame. Low here, high here, high here, low here. Let me just clear, boom. Okay, so we got this high, this high. Markets are pretty synced up right now. This low. This low. Go to the hourly. Okay. What are we looking at here? We have a fair value gap here. That we are respecting. We inverted this fair value gap, so this is a BPR. Here. Bro. BPR, we're respecting it. So I want higher prices. Take this low. maybe retrace into this right here, and then go higher. We'll see. There is a lot of news though, so hopefully that'll pump some volatility. Need the low swept. Alright, we swept the low. Might potentially get an SMT here. Alright. SMT is in. Right? SMT is invalidated. So are we just gonna like shit the bed or like what? Alright, so we have a fair value gap here. We were respecting it. We inverted it. We have 10 a.m. news though. So ideally something like that. Targeting up there. Or maybe even up here. I don't know if I want to take that with news. Okay, so news came out, did nothing, so alright, we're tapped in. I'll take 50 off in between here. Just based on ES, I'm probably going to close out here. Yeah, that's kind of horrible price action. We get stopped out. Alright, next day. Let me just clear everything here. Okay, Wednesday the 28th. Nothing. 15-minute. Boom. Lows here. We got highs here, here. All right. So we got highs here, lows here, lows here, highs here, and highs here. Go to the hour. What are we looking at here? Okay, so we're in a bearish trend. We're reacting off, or we never tapped into this fair value gap here. So I'd want to see a tap of this, come up, tap, and then go lower. We did touch it on ES though. We did tap it. We'll see. Wait, news for today, Wednesday the 28th. We're good. come up, tap, down. Alright, so we're getting a little bit of an SMT here. We have a from here, well, this, alright, so we swept the low. So we swept the low. Change in state of delivery was here. I would go long here, targeting the fair value gap. Tapped in. If we get above these highs and over this fair value gap, I'll take 50 off. Stop to break even. Playing it safe with this trade. I'll take 75 off here. Get a little more aggressive with the stop. Blow this big fair value gap there. Boom. Not bad. It's a good trade. Just screenshot it. Boom. Good trade, good trade. 15-minute. Thursday the 29th. We're good to trade. There's news. Wait, what was this? PCE? Okay. So, data lows, data highs. We took data highs. Manipulation move, looking for lower prices. So same thing on ES here. We took data highs, we have data lows. Go to the hour. We took the last hourly high. So we do have an SMT, a bearish SMT. So we swept this high on ES. We did not sweep it on NQ. Right. Go to the 5-minute. So what am I looking for? A break below here. Well, I mean, really, So we have a fair value gap here. We already closed below the leg that swept, or not yet. Okay, so we're just like, so the SMT is invalidated. Why wouldn't it be? But we do have a new one. Okay, bro, like, oh wow. So we have a bearish SMT on NQ now. That's kind of interesting. So we have a fair value gap here. It's bigger on ES. We seem to be respecting it. There we go, we disrespected it. So if we come back to the 1 minute, if we come back to here, stops above here, targeting 50% of this range. Yeah, I'm not taking that trade. Next day. So we got Friday the 1st. PMI at 10 a.m. Alright, so we have some 10 a.m. news. So we got highs here, lows here, lows here, highs here and here. Highs there, lows there, lows there, highs here, and here. Alright. Go to the hour. So we broke structure on the 1 hour to the downside. So we have this fair value gap here, which we are respecting. So I'd want to see us come up to here. This would be our key level into the fair value gap and then lower. Sorry. Market opens, we take the high. So we're about to, so we have a change in state of delivery on ES here. That's a really big range. Let's wait till 10. 10 a.m. takes both highs on both indices. We break below the low. It's a little better. Target here. Low news Monday. Highs here, lows here. Highs here. So we have an SMT, yep, because I clicked there. A bullish SMT. We swept the low on ES but not NQ, so we can expect higher prices. Let's go to the hour. I don't know, we broke structure to the downside. We have this big fair value gap here that we're reacting to and respecting. Let's see what happens. Because we swept this low. We're about to inverse this fair value gap. I really wanted to, I could enter a buy here. Why? SMT at the low. And we're inversing, or we did inverse this fair value gap on the 5 minute. Yikes, that's why you don't trade pre-market. Okay, so we have yet another SMT. So we swept the low here. Let's go to the 5 minute, or the 1 minute. So if we tap here, targeting the highs, Alright, we're tapped in, but I don't like how ES has swept it. This was the trade. Oh, another SMT to lows. Fuck you. All right. I like the consistent up curve. Constantly gaining. Again, I want to get the win rate up a little bit. Not bad. I mean, gotta get that number up. But when we build that buffer, and we get above 3K, we'll be risking 1% instead of 0.5%, and then this will increase, right? Not a bad session. I get frustrated and I apologize. It's part of the game. But yeah, I will, with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.